Everybody, it's Lynn from Lynn's Crafts Designs. I'm sorry. I sometimes try to talk too fast, faster than my mouth will go. I've made a bunch of these little rocks, I guess you would call them, from this. Don't look at them old. It's terribly dirty. I've been working with it a lot. Okay. I've made a bunch of those. I've got this little cup, okay? Now, I've decided to not use the crystal mold on this one because it just takes up too much real estate. So, I'm thinking the little cup, the starfish, and we're going to put some crystal points kind of in this area, and then a few rocks. What I have found with these little trinket dishes, depending on where you put the rocks, it also makes a great phone stand. My husband uses one of the other ones that I made all the time. It's a little volcano. It's really cute. Okay, so got my glue gun heated up. You know, you're going to say glue gun, but after I glue everything down with the glue gun, I am going to put a layer of UV resin to set everything with, okay? So, we're going to start with some of the crystal points. Now, I'm going to do two different ones with these points, so I don't want to use them all. Yeah. Alright. Okay, now, let's see. Okay, and then maybe, yeah, this one. Okay, then with the little cup, just a little bit right around the edge. Okay, just a little bit right on these very tips here. Gonna hold that long enough for it to set. Okay. Okay. I added another crystal point and threw a few rocks around, and I will show you what I mean about it being a phone stand. Really, really cute. Plus, a trinket dish where you can throw your rings, your bracelets, whatever, in and around. All it needs now is the little layer of UV resin. I'll put a UV resin layer in the bottom, cure that up, and it will be done. So, let's do that. Off camera, I just tilted it a little bit to get that UV resin to spread around. And when gluing these rocks on, I just put a drop of UV resin on the bottom held it there and hit it with my UV flashlight just a couple of seconds, and then cured it under my nail light, the same as everything else. So here it is. It could be really cute. Alongside this with a battery operated candle in it. These are really, really cute. I'd really like to thank y'all for watching today. Please like, share, and subscribe. Hit the hype button, whatever. Bye for now.